Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Fitrinur from Group 7 of LDA Class A2. Today I would like to present about information transfer and skimming. So I will share you the screen. An information transfer activity involves getting students to put spoken or written text into another form, such as a chart, grid, picture, table, or diagram, or vice versa. Make sure that the students can't just copy chunks without understanding, then by requiring a different organization to the text. These tasks encourage the processing of information, the interpretation of text, diagram, or tables in a skill that is very useful both in academic and everyday life. All of these media presuppose the reader's appropriate schemata for interpreting them and often are accompanied by oral or written discourse in order to convey, clarify, question, argue, and debate, among other linguistic functions. Virtual every language curriculum from rock bottom beginning levels to high advanced utilize the nonverbal visual symbolic dimension. It's therefore imperative that assessment procedures include measures of comprehension of nonverbal media. So here are the example of information task. You could make a map like this, and you can ask your students a question about getting direction. For example, where's the post office? Next, you can make a family trees like this, and you can ask your student about family. For example, who is Damon grandmother? That's all for the information transfer. Next, I'm going to present about skimming. Skimming is the process of rapid coverage of reading matter to determine its gist or main idea. It is a prediction strategy used to give a reader a sense of the topic and purpose of a text. The organization of the text, the perspective of or point of view of the writer, its ease or difficulty, and or its usefulness to the reader. Of course, skimming can apply to text of less than one page, so it would be wise not to combine this type of task just to extensive text. Assessment of skimming strategies is usually straightforward. The teacher usually asks the student to skim a text and give students some questions such as the following. First, what is the main idea of this text? What is the author's purpose of writing text? What kind of writing is this? Paper, article, manual, novel, etc. What type of writing is this? Expository, technical, narrative, etc. How easy or difficult do you think this text will be? What do you think you will learn from the text? How useful will the text be for you, your profession, academic needs, interests? Responses are oral or written, depending on the context. Most assessments in the domain of skimming are informal and formative. They are graced for an imminent discussion, a more careful reading to follow, or an in-class discussion, and therefore their prospects potential is good. So far as the subject matter and tasks are useful to students' goal, authenticity is preserved. Scoring is less of an issue than providing appropriate feedback to students on their strategies of prediction. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention.